welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can change your username on Facebook. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, after you open Facebook, you want to click on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're in the menu section, at the top, you can see the little setting icon. You want to click on it. Once you do that, it'll bring you to your Facebook setting. And from over here, you want to click on where it says see more in account center option. You want to click on it. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the account center of Meta. Over here where it says profiles, you want to click on profiles and it'll take you to your profiles. And it's going to show you all the profiles linked on your Facebook. Once you see the profiles, click on the one where it says Facebook. So in my case, I will go with Richie Kevin and it's going to bring me over here. And from over here, you can see the second option which says username. I can just click on username and then type a new username for myself from over here. So I can enter any username I want and just, so okay, this username is already taken, so I need to edit it again. So let's see if this username is taken or not. And if the username is not taken, there's going to be a tick mark and I can just click on done. And at the bottom, there's going to be another done option. I can click on it and my username will be created or edited in a way. So that's how you guys can change your username on Facebook. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.